First of all, technical details for your cha-cha. Remember, anything we do in cha-cha has to be represented by the hip change. The same as you do in belly dancing or some Polynesian dance. So we go boom, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So music gonna go boom, boom, tin, tin, boom, 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 tin, tin, boom. Leave the other arm here so you can see your hips again. Change. The same as me. Excellent. Go. Boom, boom, tin, tin, boom, 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 tin, tin, boom, and a 2, and a 3, 4, and 1, and a 2, 3, 4, and 1. So now exactly the same what we do here should be with our steps. So we're going back, boom, we have the same hip flick, 30, now going side, hip, hip, R1, the same basic, 2, back, 3, cha, cha, R1. The only different a little bit when we start walking, we have that a little bit high hip circle, R1. Because otherwise, if you push one too strong, it's tend to go way too big. Okay, so let's try that again. And 2, 3, cha, cha, R1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, R1. Excellent. 2, 3, cha, cha, R1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, R1. So there should be no empty step. Every walk is together with the hip, very powerful hip change. Go 2, 3, go front, cha, cha, R1. Make sure you get this hip 1. But when you're going forward, is a very small detail for you. When you push that hip forward on count 1, it's very important to drive your spine forward same time. So hip basically going diagonally front, but spine just front. So when you do this rocking back and forth, it's a great exercise. When your spine rocking forward, this part rocking forward, your hip changing diagonally right or diagonally left. So when, in this case, my spine going forward, I'm changing my hip diagonally right. If I'm rocking backward, changing diagonally to the left. If you put your hip too much forward, spine will naturally drops back, and that's not what we want. Boom, boom, 1. So continue with the basic. 2, 3, now small hip. Cha, cha, and here we have a little bit like a small circle. R1 to accentuate it, right. And 2, 3, cha, cha, R1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, R1. Excellent. So now let's go into our open routine. So learning steps and adding a little bit hips as much as we can. So stay here side to side. And when we dance already, our hip already little by little moving, little by little changing. Very good. Good pendulum changes. Now we're going 4 and 1, stretching 2, and now here our hip should go together. 3, returning back, 4, hitting R1. And 2, 3, that hip action here, 4, R1. Now solo, you changing there. Cuban breaks, fast. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, forward walk. 2 with the hip, 3, twist, 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 R1. Yes, into the break. Stay here. Body weight. 4 and 1. And batucadas. Go 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1. Hip, hip. And now take a look from here so you can see from the camera. Next section, new section. So when you see that. 2, 3, 4, you step forward. 1. Very good. Now from here you have a back basic. 2. Replace forward. 3. Now you have a running chasse. Side, front, side. Side, front, side. 1 second. 3. Cha, cha, cha. Walk. Twist knee high. Run, run. 1. And fan. 2. 3. Cha, cha. 1. Walk. Hockey stick. Walk. Excellent. Cha, cha. 3 batucadas. Tika, 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 tika. Step back. 1. Now so we can fit it into the camera. 1, step back, 1, now spiral, 2, spiral, and yeah, halfway, don't turn too much, right, very good. Over here, go. Cha, 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 1, excellent, go forward. Walk, walk, come to me. Cha, 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 twists in place, twist, twist, cha, 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 twist, twist, cha, 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 arm up, boom, and point side. Yeah, yes, pray the fingers, very good, stay there. Now go, close legs to me, in, out, in, arm here on your head, and go up, out, yes, in, out, in, out, then spin, 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 then sit together with me here. Like this, left leg forward, right, left, right. Sit here and just a little bit play with the hip. And boom, boom, and hip, hip, and hip, hip. Then we're going for the body wave. Close your leg, arm up. I go to the other side. I turn, turn, turn you in. I spin, spin, spin you out. Turn, turn, turn you in. Spin, spin, spin. Yeah, stay there. I go under your arm here. Very good. Just stay like this. 4 changes. Switch, arm here. Switch, switch. And basic cha-chas. Walk with the hips. Walk. Cha, cha, cha.